This week we've been talking about main idea. We're going to read this text called What is a Community? And we're going to identify the main topic and the main idea together. Then you're going to be looking for some of those key details that support the main idea. What is a community? Think about the people you saw on your way to school today. Maybe you saw a bus driver, a police officer, or a mail carrier. You probably saw business people on their way to work. Once you got to school, you saw teachers, other students, parents, and the principal. All of these people make a community. A community is a group of people who live and work in the same area. People play different parts to make a community. For example, bus drivers help people get to school or work. Police officers make sure people follow the laws and stay safe. Business people make or sell the things we buy. Parents and teachers make sure children have what they need to learn and be safe. Students learn so they can become good parents and workers. You are a part of your community too. You can do things to make a difference. You can help keep your neighborhood clean. You can follow rules and laws. You can help others who are in need. Communities work best when people do their job and help each other. You and everyone around you work together to make a community. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to look over what we just read and think about what was the topic? What was it all about? You probably said the main topic was communities. Now, what about communities are we focusing on? What is the main idea of this text? We really focused on the roles people play in a community. So we talked about bus drivers. We talked about how you can follow rules. We talked about teachers, parents. You're going to be using this graphic organizer to guide you, and in a discussion post you'll be deciding on 3 key details that support the roles people play in a community.